In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong error when trying to pre-order GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PS5. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First, what you need to do before you even do anything is just restart your PS5 and try again. Sometimes the store just needs to refresh, especially since this is a little bit newer and there is a lot of people pre-ordering it right now. But go ahead and first, just make sure that you restart your PS5. From here, check your internet and LAN connection. You can do this by going up to the settings section right here, selecting network, and you want to make sure that you are fully connected. If you're using wired LAN, you're probably better off if you have that. If you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and try restarting your router. Also, if PlayStation Network is having any server issues, and you can check in this exact same screen, you're just going to have to wait it out because the error may be on Sony's side. But after that, go ahead and open up the PlayStation Store and just search for GTA 6. In this case, I'm just going to select this one right here. Go back to the screen, and you're going to want to go ahead and select the Ultimate Edition specifically. If you bought the Standard Edition for mistake, you'll see in here the Ultimate Edition upgrade right here. But go ahead and purchase it, and if the error still shows up, check your payment method and make sure your card details and billing address are correct, or try using a different card as well. You can also add funds with a PlayStation gift card or a prepaid Visa card as well. Another option is to actually pre-order through the PlayStation app on your mobile device or the PlayStation website while signed into the same account. And as soon as you do that, it'll go ahead and appear on your console as well as purchase, and you can just download it from there. It really is that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.